Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've always loved the stained glass windows on old buildings, and I was fascinated to see a stained glass nail art on the internet. And so I decided to recreate it and film a tutorial. Before I begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And now let's get going. For this nail design, you will need a base coat, white nail polish, black nail polish, green, pink, blue, yellow nail polish, top coat, and a striper brush. We'll start off by applying the base coat. Apply a good layer of the base coat and let it dry. Once the base coat dries, apply the white nail polish and wait till it dries. Once the base coat dries, we're gonna make the glass pattern. Dip the liner brush into the black polish and make small triangles and squares like so. We will fill in the pattern with the colors we picked. First, I'm gonna fill in the pink color. Then, I'm gonna fill in with the green color. Next, I'm gonna fill in with the yellow color. Finally, I'm going to repeat the same with the blue color as well. Let the design dry. Once it dries, dip the liner brush into the black nail polish and go over the outline to make it neat and proper. Then using the black nail polish, make an outline along the entire nail as shown. Once it dries, seal the design by applying a top coat. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the nail design, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you folks in the next video. Bye!